Hello everyone. We were doing question number 2 of exercise 5. Let us do question number 6. Arrange in ascending order. 1 upon 3, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 12, 3 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. Here as you can see the numerators and the denominators are different. It means they are unlike fractions. First, we convert unlike fractions to like fraction. To do this, let us find the LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. The denominators are 3, 6, 12, 4 and 2. The LCM of the denominators is 12. So LCM is equal to 12. Now we shall form equivalent fractions with denominator 12. Let us take first fraction, that is 1 upon 3. So how much multiply in 3 to get 12? Let us see. 1 upon 3 into 12. 3 4s are 12. So we have to multiply both numerator and the denominator by 4. And we'll get 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes are 12. And we'll get 4 upon 12. Now let us take next fraction, that is 5 upon 6. How much multiply in 6 to get 12? Let's see. 5 upon 6 into 12. If we cancel by 6, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. So we have to multiply both numerator and the denominator by 2. And we'll get 5 twos are 10, 6 twos are 12. We'll get 10 upon 12. Let us take third fraction, that is 7 upon 12. So how much multiply in 12 to get 12? It's one time and we'll get 7 upon 12. Let us take next fraction, that is 3 upon 4. So how much multiply in 4 to get 12? Let us see. 3 upon 4 into 12. If we cancel by 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So both numerator and the denominator multiply by 3. 3 threes are 9, 4 threes are 12. So you'll get 9 upon 12. Let us take next question, fraction, that is 1 upon 2. So how much multiply in 2 to get 12? Let us see. 1 upon 2 multiply by 12. 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So multiply both numerator and denominator by 6. And we'll get 6 upon 12. Here we'll get 4 upon 12, which is equal to 1 upon 3. 10 upon 12, which is equal to 5 upon 6. 7 upon 12. 9 upon 12, which is equal to 3 upon 4. And 6 upon 12, which is equal to 1 upon 2. Arrange in ascending order. As you know, in ascending order, we move smallest to the largest. As you can see, the denominators are same. When the denominators are same, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. So we have to find out the smaller numerator first. So as you can see, 4 upon 4 is the smaller numerator. So 4 upon 12 is the smallest fraction, which is equal to 1 upon 3. So we have to write first 1 upon 3 is smaller than 6 upon 12, which is equal to 1 upon 2 is smaller than 7 upon 12, which is equal to 7 upon 12 is smaller than 9 upon 12, which is equal to 3 upon 4. And at last we have to write 10 upon 12, which is equal to 5 upon 6. Let us do question number 3. Arrange in descending order. 6 upon 7, 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7, 1 upon 7 and 4 upon 7. As you can see, the denominators are same. So when the denominator are same, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. So let us compare the numerators. So which have greater numerator? 6 is the greatest numerator. 6 is greater than 5 is greater than 4 is greater than 3, greater than 1. And as we know, which has greater numerator is the greatest fraction. And in descending order, we move greatest to the smallest. So first we write 6 upon 7 is greater than 5 upon 7 is greater than 4 upon 7 is greater than 3 upon 7 is greater than 1 upon 7. Let us do C question. Let us arrange 8 upon 9, 8 upon 3, 8 upon 7, 8 upon 6, 8 upon 5 in descending order. As we know, in descending order, we move greatest to the smallest. And as you can see, the numerators are same in all fractions. So we have to compare the denominators. As you can see, the denominator 9 is greater than 7 is greater than 6 is greater than 5 is greater than 3. And as we know, when the numerators are same, the fraction with the smaller denominator is greater. So, what is the smaller denominator? Yes, 3 is the smaller denominator. So, which fraction has 3? Yes, in fraction 8 upon 3 has a smaller denominator. So, we have to write first 8 upon 3 is greater than 8 upon 5 is greater than 8 upon 6 is greater than 8 upon 7 is greater than 8 upon 9. Let us arrange the given fraction, that is 4 upon 6, 9 upon 15, 2 upon 5, 7 upon 10, 1 upon 6 in descending order. As you can see, in all fractions have different numerators and the denominators. So they are unlike fraction. First, we convert unlike fraction to like fraction. To do this, let us find the LCM of the denominators. The denominators are 6, 15, 5, 10 and 6. Let us find the LCM. The LCM of denominators is 30. So LCM is equal to 30. Let us we shall from equivalent fractions with denominator 30. Let us take first fraction, that is 4 upon 6. So how much multiply in 6 to get 30? Let us see 4 upon 6 into 30. If we cancel by 6, 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 6 5s are 30. So we have to multiply both numerator and denominators by 5 and we'll get 20 upon 30. Let us take next fraction, that is 9 upon 15. So how much multiply in 15 to get 30? Let us see 9 upon 15 into 30. If we cancel by 15, 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. So we have to multiply both numerator and the denominator by 2, which is equal to 9 twos are 18, 15 twos are 30. 18 upon 30. Let us take next fraction, that is 2 upon 5. How much multiply in 5 to get 30? Let us see 2 upon 5 into 30. If we cancel by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30. So we have to multiply both numerator and the denominator by 6 and we'll get 6 twos are 12. 5 6 are 30. 12 upon 30. Let us take next fraction, that is 7 upon 10. How much multiply in 10 to get 30? Let us see 7 upon 10 multiply by 30. If we cancel by 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 threes are 30. So multiply and 7 and 10 by 3 and we'll get 7 threes are 21, 10 threes are 13. We'll get 21 upon 30. Let us take next fraction and last 1 upon 6. So how much multiply in 6 to get 30? 6 fives are 30. So we have to multiply both numerator and the denominator by 5. And we'll get 5 upon 6 fives are 30. 5 upon 30. Here we'll get the fraction 20 upon 30 which is equal to 4 upon 6. 18 upon 30 which is equal to 9 upon 15. 12 upon 30 which is equal to 2 upon 5. 21 upon 30 which is equal to 7 upon 10 and 5 upon 30 which is equal to 1 upon 6. As you can see, the denominators are same, and when the denominators are same, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater, and we have to arrange in descending order. So we have to write first the greater fraction. So which has the greater numerator? Yes, in fraction 21 upon 30 has a greater numerator. So we have to write first 21 upon 30 which is equal to 7 upon 10 is greater than 20 upon 30 which is equal to 4 upon 6. Then we have to write 18 upon 30 which is equal to 9 upon 15. Then we have to write 12 upon 30 which is equal to 2 upon 5. And at last we have to write 5 upon 30 which is equal to 1 upon 6. Now your homework is B and D of question number 3 of exercise 5, that is on page number 77. Thank you.